My name is Jing Fan, New York State licensed acupuncturist. Today, let me talk about the foot massage with a hologram image. Hologram is short for all information, the phenomenon that partly contains all the information of the whole or thing B contains all the information of the thing A is called holographic phenomenon. The phenomenon that the living body partly contains all the information of the whole is universal law, which is called the hologram of biology law. Another term called foot massage is reflexology. This is a foot hologram chart. There are hand and ear hologram charts. As the saying goes, people's feet like trees with roots. Trees with withered roots are exhausted first. If a person's feet are weakened first, that indicates warning sign. So, foot massage not only play an important role in health maintenance, but also treat many chronic disease by massaging various points on your feet. How do we find the problems with the body through the holographic law? Use your knuckle to rub your foot. If you find a sore or painful spot, that is the correct spot for you to do more acupressure. You can press soles and look for areas that are particularly sore or painful. Find the corresponding point on the hologram of the foot. You can find that the pain point is related to your organs because the foot hologram has many internal organs. So looking for that, it will surprise you. Please look carefully at this foot hologram. There are a lot of human body information from top to bottom and from left to right. There are many internal organs. If you have seasonal allergies, itching, red, watering eye, sneezing, try to massage your toes, looking for frontal sinus area. If you have a neck pain, looking for neck area. If you have indigestion, nausea or vomiting, looking for the stomach, transverse colon, small intestine, and so on. Although there are not acupuncture points, but try them please. Looking at the foot holographic can help you a lot. Kidney Meridian 1, K.I. Yongquan. Bubbling Spring, Kidney 1 is a very famous acupuncture point. Offers access to the power of will and wisdom. It is located on the sole of the foot, about 1/3 of the way from the base of the second toe, and 2/3 of the way up from the bottom of the foot between the second and the third metatarsals. It is great for people who suffer from depression, insomnia, anxiety, and fear. Massage this spot, the point, every day for a month. Your sleep and physical strength will improve significantly. At the beginning, the tenderness in many reflex areas are obvious. Liver Meridian 1, LV1, 大敦. Liver Meridian 1, LV1 point can be found 1 inch below the toenail corner toward the inner side of the big toe. Massage for 2 or 3 minutes to rid yourself insomnia, night sweats, palpitations, hot flashes, memory loss, and anxiety. Liver Meridian 3, LV3, 太冲. This is known as the LV3, and you can find it by placing your finger between the big toe and second toe, just at the point where the tendons meet, right here. Apply firm pressure on this point for a few seconds to target stress, headaches, anger, anxiety, irritability, and menstrual pain. If you massage your feet every day, the pain will be relieved and the effect will be reviewed as well. Let's try do it every day while you're watching TV or chatting with your friends. We are in this together. Stay well, stay strong. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.